interested today. We talk a lot about manifesting on this channel, and maybe you've been here before when we were talking about vision boards or other methods of bringing things into your life. So the results might not have been coming to you as quick as you wanted them, or you haven't seen anything on your vision board come into fruition yet. So one of the things that you can do is to start small. Start small. Look for coins on the ground. Tell yourself that you're going to find coins everywhere. Everywhere I go, I see coins, and make sure that you pick them up and keep them in a separate Ziploc bag or a jar or different pocket in your pants. So later that evening, when you take them all out, you see how many coins you were able to manifest, you can say thank you for them. That is the single most important thing you can do when you are trying to manifest. Be grateful. A friend of mine, she says that she's always running late on her way to school with her kids, or she's going to gymnastics or dropping somebody off at baseball, and they have a green light song that they sing in the car so that they only have green lights the entire way. Green lights, and it works for them. I know when I first tried to start manifesting things, I would say front row parking, and I would drive all the way through the shopping center to a parking spot that shouldn't have been there because it's a busy holiday season or concert or something like that. And we would get a front row parking spot every time. And so it's like a game now. We always just say front row and we find our parking spot. So maybe you don't drive and the green light song or the parking analogy won't work for you. But one thing that works good for everybody is upgrades. Start to notice little things that come into your life, such as you go up to your local hamburger counter and you order just a burger and they give you a set of fries or a shake for complimentary. It's on the house. Just start to notice those little things. Just remember that small things make a big difference. Happy manifesting!